I showed this yesterday, but the music was so loud I'm afraid it didn't go through. But I recently did a YouTube video on the rear differential and changing the fluid. So I thought I would show this again real quick. So there it is in action. And to change the fluid, your spare tire and spare tire carriage is here. This is the bolt. I used a vacuum pump to get all the old fluid out, and this is where I put the new fluid in and topped it off to there. Anyway, just wanted to show that real quick since I just recently made a video on that. So I thought that would be cool. Vintage magazine I just bought. But anyway, yeah, like I was saying, the rear differential, just FYI, in case you don't know, allows the wheels to spin at a different rate of speed. When you turn, say that's your inside wheel, it has to be moving slower than your outside wheel because it's making a tighter radius. And so without your rear differential, if it was just a straight axle or something, they would try to slip and they'd bark at you and give you some trouble. So that's what this rear differential is all about. I recently made a video on that and had a chance, what an opportunity to show this. So man, I couldn't miss it. And I tried to record something the other day when I was here, but the music was loud and I know YouTube was going to bark at me, so try it this way. Here's a look at the front end. Just some review or doing a project and need to see what's going on with some stuff. There's the brake calipers. Okay. If this will maybe help. I'm trying to make this quick. Last year I made this video and it went on, and I'm trying to make a quicker video this year. Okay, we got a chance to see inside C3 that's been hacked around on so you can see what's inside. And I'll try to do this quick. And there's the rear differential we were just looking at. And so that's where it's seated. Like I said, your spare tire stuff is all right there. You got to remove it to get to that if you're wanting to change your rear differential fluid. There's where the battery is behind the driver's seat. Let's see. I'll try to walk around to the other side and show some inner workings of the door.
Yeah, finding the other one, pushing your rep. Yeah. Take a picture of it, have somebody Photoshop it red and then reprint it.
Oh, I'm sure they, yeah.
Okay, so just as an added bonus, if you have a C3 and you're serious about restoring it, I picked this up. I was at the Corvette Fun Fest, sponsored by Mid America, Mike and Laurie Yager, and they had this for 20 bucks, and I picked it up. And I am nothing but impressed with this book, and so I just wanted to share it with the audience. Just the amount of information. I saw specs in here for the spare tire. Even it's too much. I'd love to show the whole book and pause on each page and let you see things, but it's literally just too much. But the information that is in this book is just nothing short but amazing. I wish I would have had this years ago. My daughter and I have been working on the C3 for, I don't know, altogether 8 years or something, and we had access to some knowledge and things that answered our questions. But boy, this book is just, it's a magazine actually. So look, I'll just share. I'm not being sponsored by anybody to make this video. I'm just simply sharing this for fellow Corvette enthusiasts. If you've got a Corvette that falls in this year, I figured, oh, there'd be get some good information in here. I was just absolutely shocked at the amount of information that's in here and pictures. They're all black and white pictures, but they're amazing. Anyway, so good luck with that. That is, let me show, yeah. Okay.